Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another unboxing and flip through video. Today we're looking at Flowers of the Night Oracle by Cheralyn Darcey. I've done a couple of her decks and I absolutely love them. So I'm excited about this one. This is published by Rockpool Publishing. I'm not exactly sure how much this was, but I will link everywhere I know that you can purchase said deck in the description box. They're not affiliate links and I am not paid or sponsored for this video. I just want you guys to be able to see what you're getting. All right, so this is already beautiful. It has the gilding of the title there, and it's your basic box, but I love it. It's all black and white. It says, find guidance, inspiration, and healing while you learn the language of the flowers of the night. Come into the garden of the night and explore your power and passion with this dedicated oracle deck of 44 cards and guidebook. Each card depicts a flower in its original environment and is coupled with the animals, insects, and birds of the flower's habitat. Oh, very cool. Okay. This deck can be used in traditional flower readings, oracle readings, as a flower essence creation and prescribing assistant, and an educational and inspirational tool for those exploring gardening, creativity, and wanting to connect with nature a little more. Oh, I'm excited. Okay, let's get into it. Bright green. Love it. Okay, so, oh, look at the back. So pretty. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's just check out real fast. Oh, advertisement. Let's just check out if there's anything we should know in this book real fast. So let's see. We have, I always go from the back to the front. All right, table of contents. Here we go. Introduction, the artwork, how to use this deck, what is a flower reading, and oracle spreads. And then it gives you a page for each card here. So the artwork is sketched with a pen and negative onto a block and then delicately carved. The block is then inked with a rubber roller covered in a thick water-based ink. That is really cool. That is really cool. Okay, how to use this deck. We kind of already went over that. And then we have some spreads. We have the Night Garden Oracle Walk, the Full Moon Oracle Spread, and that's it. And then it goes into the cards. Okay, I'm excited because how cool is that concept of art? All right, so we already kind of took a look at the back here, which is so pretty. I love it. All right, I'm excited. Acceptance. Okay, love it. So it'll give you the title and then what the flower is. That is adorable. They are glossed, as you can see by the ring light there. They are a little thin. They are, they're pretty thin. We'll see how they shuffle, but they're snapping back just fine. So again, just because the cardstock is thin doesn't mean it's going to be an awful deck. It's just you might have to be a little bit more delicate with it. Wow. Okay, I love it. It's very simple, but efficient. Wow. That's absolutely beautiful. Ah, look at that bat. Some are sticking, and it's due to the manufacturing. Just be careful. I prefer to like slide a little bit of them, so then they'll unstick that way instead of like ripping them apart, you know? So pretty. So I do think this would be great for a beginner because it tells you exactly what the card is. You can then use your intuition to divine whatever you need to off of the card. So I love that it's giving you the title, what the card's about, and then the flower. So pretty. These would be great for your daily pulls or meditations. This would be great for like if you do night meditations, like before bed you do a reading or a meditation that way. Sometimes, man, I do that and I have the strangest dreams and they feel so real. That is gorgeous. I love the owl. Oh, is that a sloth? Oh. The art style is really cool. I'm digging it. What a fun deck. Yeah, honestly, the only thing that I can say that might be a negative is that the cards are sticking a bit to themselves and that the cardstock may be a little thin for some of you out there. But other than that, no complaints. I mean, this deck seems like it's going to be completely usable. Like there's nothing wrong with it. I'm interested to see how it will shuffle though. I can't remember the retail price. I really honestly can't. I think it was like 16 or 17, somewhere around that. I don't believe it was any more than 20, but obviously that's going to play a role too in whether you want to purchase the deck. So pretty. I love her decks that I have of hers. She is a botanist, so you know, this comes from her background as well. So it makes it more accurate for me. And, you know, they're just beautiful. I'm excited to see what the guidebook has to say. So we'll shuffle and we'll pull a card, or sometimes a card pops out, and then we'll read from the guidebook, and then you can see and understand where how you would expect to read the deck. This is absolutely adorable. I love the art. I love the concept. Oh yeah, it shuffles just fine. It snaps right back. The thing of it is if you're delicate, or if you're, you know, aware of how far you're shuffling, a thin cardstock is fine. If you have too thick of a cardstock, then shuffling is going to be a nightmare for you. So you have to have a cardstock that is pliable for you to be able to, you know, get that shuffle in. Whether you just shuffle like this, or you shuffle like this. And there's a card that wanted to come out, so we'll read Power. So either way, there's going to be wear and tear on your deck, especially if you use them a lot. So a thin cardstock like this isn't too thin at all for me. I have no problem with it. You know, everybody has their preferences, right? So up to you. So let's go ahead and look at Power. Now we can go through with the contents here. They're all in alphabetical order, which is amazing. And we have Power on page 72, Queen of the Night. Okay, Queen of the Night is a night flowering cactus native to Central America, Mexico, and the Antilles. An epiphyte is fast growing with flowers which are 17 to 23 centimeters long, but which have been reported to be as big as 38 centimeters. Their fragrance is described as that of vanilla mixed with orange blossom. Ooh. The Cuban boa is the largest snake in the West Indies and the largest of its species. It is 2 to 4.8 meters in length at maturity and has a diet consisting mainly of birds, bats, rodents, and lizards. All right, and then it has the meaning of the card. When this flower appears, it indicates that a much anticipated new beginning has arrived, or a huge blockage has been moved from your path. Power is strengthened, and with it, almost endless possibilities are open to you. You should be feeling more self-confidence, and if not, know that you are now supported to step out and try something you may have been unsure of in the past. The way ahead is very welcoming at this time. New beginnings, evolution of self, and focusing on your personal power and how you can regain or maintain it are all indicated. Closer connections with nature abound, including visiting a natural place or being inspired or assisted by nature in some way in your life. Be careful of self-obsession, losing faith in yourself, or becoming too power hungry. There's an affirmation, my power is strong and true. And then it has keywords: power, self-confidence, nature, evolutions, beginnings, and self-obsession. Okay, honestly, I'm impressed. So it gives you a background of the flower and the creature. I'm going to say creature because there's different, ones in each card. That's awesome because then you get, with that information, again, you can use your intuition and really connect the meaning on the other page to the artwork, which is fantastic. I love that it gives you an affirmation. So if you are one that uses these cards for journaling, that's great. For meditation, that's great as well. Affirmations are wonderful, especially if you do a daily pull a day, right? Or meditations. And then keywords are great there too, because then, it's like a flashcard. So that's perfect. So this deck is great for beginners. It's great for any kind of level of which you would use. It would make a fantastic gift for somebody who loves the flowers and this sort of a thing. I am in love with it. I mean, honestly, I only have a couple of Cheralyn Darcey's decks, and I believe I ordered one more of her little mini inspiration cards. So that's on its way. But I love each and every one of them so far. Like, I've not had an issue with them. So that's exciting. I love that it comes from her background in botany. And I love that she, her decks are so positive and so empowering as well. So again, no problems with this deck other than it might be too thin for you guys. There are no borders. And there are no numbers. So just keep that in mind if that's something that you rely upon with the number system. It is laid out in alphabetical order in the book, and it does have a table of contents. So that'll help you as well trying to find your card in the book. I love that there are no borders. I love that they don't have corners, that they're rounded. The only issue is you guys might have a couple of cards that stick together due to the glossy coating. But I would love to know what you guys think, if this is on your radar, if you enjoy this card, if you own this deck. What are your thoughts? I'd love to hear from you guys down in the comment section. If there is a deck that I have not yet reviewed or unboxed yet on my channel and you would love me to take a look at it and get my hands on it, let me know what that deck is down in the comment section, and I will try my hardest to get it and to get that video to you. I am working my way through the list that I already have. So also check the tarot and oracle review playlist before, and then let me know. I'll let you know if it's on its way to you or if I've already done it, but check and see. And there's a ton on there already. And don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you'll never miss a upload from me. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. And you guys have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.